There's a certain thrill in discovering a piece of yard equipment that feels like a genuine leap forward rather than just a new shade of green. Unboxing the Greenworks 60V 21-inch cordless push mower immediately delivers that spark. The aluminum handles gleam under the bright LED headlights, and the robust deck exudes confidence. Right out of the gate, you sense this is more than the usual lightweight battery mower. It promises performance that rivals gas without the mess, noise, or fumes. Assembly is refreshingly painless. Greenworks supplies clear instructions, and the click-together handles lock firmly into place without wrestling with hex keys or loose screws. The battery slides into its compartment with a satisfying snap, and the rapid charger's LED indicator switches to green in under an hour. While some users might balk at the initial 50-minute charge requirement to hit the full 5.0Ah capacity, the reality is that most lawns won't demand back-to-back sessions. Plus, the optional dual-port auto switch technology, an industry first in this price range, means you can slide a second battery into the built-in slot and let the mower swap seamlessly when the first pack runs dry. For anyone with a half-acre or slightly more to tame, that feature alone changes the game. There's no downtime hunting for a spare pack in the garage or watching grass grow while you wait for a recharge. Once switched on, the motor whirs to life with surprising vigor. Greenworks advertises a blade tip speed of up to 3,200 RPM, and in practical terms that means no bogging down when you encounter thicker patches, overgrown weeds, or early morning dew. In my own yard, laced with both lush Kentucky bluegrass and denser fescue clumps, the mower didn't cajole or judder. It simply maintained a steady pace, delivering a clean, uniform cut that rivals anything I've achieved with a stout gas model. Even the rear discharge chute, often a weak point on push mowers, throws clippings neatly without clogging, and the optional mulch plug transforms those same clippings into a fine, almost powdery layer that vanishes back into the turf. What really elevates the experience are the LED lights. It might seem gimmicky at first, who mows at dusk, but in practice, they prove invaluable for spotting low-lying branches, hidden sprinkler heads, or stray toys left at the edge of the lawn. The beam is broad yet focused, illuminating the path far enough ahead to avoid surprises. If your schedule demands early morning or late evening mowing, perhaps to steal back a weekend hour before guests arrive, those lights provide confidence that you're not nicking flower beds or running over landscaping timbers. Noise levels drop dramatically compared to any gas-powered mower, and though the 60V brushless motor still makes a discernible buzz, it's closer to a cheerful hum than a roar. Neighbors don't cringe, and ear protection amounts to optional earmuffs rather than mandatory plugs. This quiet operation pairs well with the mower's smooth ergonomics. The padded handlebar absorbs vibration, and the safety lever requires only a light squeeze. The center-mounted control panel offers a single start button, no choke, no pull cord, no stalled starts. It's simplicity itself. Battery life proves robust. On a cool spring morning, my first run lasted just under 60 minutes on the 5.0Ah pack, enough to cover nearly half an acre of medium-thick grass without pushing too hard. On warmer afternoons, with drier turf and a faster walking pace, you can expect closer to 45 minutes. Even at that lower end, the rapid charger stands ready. 60 minutes later, you've regained about 80% of capacity, and in another 15 minutes you're back to full runtime. And if you're the kind of gardener who schedules jobs in blocks, perhaps edging on Saturday, mowing on Sunday, the convenience is hard to overstate. Despite its light feel, the build quality holds up to rigorous use. The deck's anodized coating resists scratches and rust, and the dual-port battery compartment feels rock solid rather than creaky. Over several weeks of back-to-back mowing, the mower has shown no signs of motor fatigue or loose fittings. The wheels roll on sealed ball bearings, gliding smoothly over uneven terrain and subtly following the lawn's contours. The ability to adjust the cutting height across 7 positions, from about 1.5 to 4 inches, via a central lever makes it easy to switch from a crisp golf green finish to a more forgiving length when the summer sun beats down. No machine is perfect, and a few quirks emerge once you've lived with the mower. The dual-port auto switch, while ingenious, occupy a space that would otherwise accommodate a larger grass catcher. At 1.5 bushels, the included bag is adequate for shorter sessions but may require more frequent emptying on long, thick cuts. And while the LED lights impress, they can cast shadows under the deck at extreme cutting heights, making grass clumps less visible when you're trimming up hilly terrain. Lastly, taller users might wish for telescoping handle adjustments. At 6 feet 3 inches, I find myself leaning forward slightly, though the gentle slope of the handle still keeps fatigue at bay. Cost springs to mind when you consider the mower's total package. At $349.99, you're not just buying a basic push mower, you're investing in cordless freedom, cutting power that outpaces lower voltage models, rapid recharge times, and features like auto switch technology and integrated LED lighting that you typically see on pro-grade units. When you factor in the absence of fuel expenses, oil changes, carburetor rebuilds, and muffler replacements, the long-term savings tip heavily in the mower's favor. Moreover, Greenworks backs both the tool and the battery with a robust 4-year warranty, underscoring their confidence in its durability. Customer feedback validates these hands-on impressions. Many owners praise the mower's quiet operation, powerful performance, and ease of use straight out of the box. Those who initially worried about battery life find reassurance in the rapid charger and the straightforward option to add a second battery, especially valuable for yards above half an acre or for gardeners who prefer a brisk watt pace. Some call out the mid-range grass bag size, but nearly all agree that the dual-port system and integrated LEDs justify the compromise. Rarely do users report mechanical issues or premature wear. On the contrary, the most common refrain is surprise at how much oomph the 60V platform delivers.